Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or social media manager looking to streamline your Instagram activities, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite in 2025. This integration is a game changer for scheduling posts, analyzing insights, and managing ads all in one spot. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Meta Business account set up. If not, head over to business.facebook.com and create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Settings tab in the top menu. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. In the Settings menu, find the Accounts Center section. Here, you'll see an option to add or connect accounts. Click on Add and select Instagram from the list. Meta might prompt you to log into your Instagram account. Go ahead and do that with your business or professional profile. Step 2. Authorize the connection. Meta will ask for permissions to access your Instagram data, like posts and insights. Review these carefully and hit Allow to proceed. Don't worry, this is secure and standard for integrations. Step 3. Verify your connection. Once authorized, Meta Business Suite will sync your Instagram account. You might need to confirm your business details or select specific pages if you have multiple. Take a moment to double-check everything. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, ensure your Instagram account is set to a professional or business type in the Instagram app settings. This is crucial for full functionality in 2025, as Meta has updated their policies for better data privacy. And there you have it. Your Instagram is now connected to Meta Business Suite. This setup will save you tons of time and help you grow your business smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.